Welcome to Bits of Blender. Today's tip is going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to put text on a curve like this, and it might surprise you. So we've got this text here, and we want it on this curve. One of the things you want to do first is clear the location, so it's at the same location as the curve. And then we'll set it to our inner curve. We'll adjust the offset a little bit, holding the shift key so we can move it little increments. Then we grab this guy, Alt G, and we tell it go on the outer, which is not exactly where we want it. So let's select the outer curve, tab into it, scale, Y, -1, enter, tab out of that, select our text again, and we can add our character spacing and move it along the Y-axis. And there you go. See you next time.